YouTube. We are in the Mark 7 GTI right now. We're doing a little experiment. So we're letting the car idle for like a minute and we're checking the IATs. As you can see, they're at about 138 and right now it's 77 degrees outside. So yeah, the car is getting a little heat soaked right now. Gonna do some cruising, regular cruising, so you can see how much it lowers right now. You know, moderate acceleration, the car stays anywhere from like 105 to 115 in that range cruising. It's about 78, 80 degrees outside, so it's really not that hot. You should see when it's just like 98, 100 degrees outside, this thing heat soaks like crazy. Before I put on the front mount intercooler, see the difference, how much it changes, guys. So looking forward to that. We're gonna be doing the installation tomorrow. Cruising 109, 108. That's where she likes to sit right now at this temperature. At 90 degrees IAT. Take a look at that. But the whole point of this video is just to get a little bit of a basis before I install the front mount intercooler. That video should drop tomorrow or Sunday. A front mount intercooler is not gonna give you the absolute best possible IATs like a true stock location one will. But I'm eager to see the results. So stay tuned for that video, guys, and I'll catch you in the next one.